We can get that pry bar out there, that might help, right?
Putty knife would do that, Chris.
Putty knife?
Yeah, stick a putty knife right in there.
I just don't have one.
Well, they got one right outside.
Ed's got a putty knife.
Yeah, if he can stick it in from outside. Show him where, Chris.
Right here. Come down a little bit. A little more. Is it hitting the corner?
I don't want to hold the weight of this out here. You bring it, set it on the 2x4.
Cody, do you have any room at that top?
To go this way, yeah.
Towards you?
Yeah. There's a gap.
Hold on.
What about the bottom?
Hold on. No, the bottom's
No,
good.
the bottom's sitting down there.
Hey, Steve, can you get a pry bar in there if we got one to you? To rack this top towards Ed?
Right, yeah.
I think that's all we need to do, Ed.
But hey, still, right now, because you got so tight, that coming in at an angle is making it too long.
Oh, okay. So
It's
it's hitting
too
up here at
long.
the header?
Yeah,
It's gonna make it too long, too. If you got one side in farther than the other.
Okay.
So what are we doing before we do it?
You,
I think that should feed in there. You're at the feed in, right? Yeah. Here, take the putty knife, let's get that in then. And then we'll rack it down that way, all right?
okay.
You ready, Ed?
There you go. There you go. You moved a lot.
My bad.
I got the window. I got it.
That's why I said you got putty knife in the pocket earlier. You don't come my way.
Okay. Sorry, dude.
All right.
There you go. There we go.
Put her on your line and screw that little bit down.
All right. I got a tap.
First.
I got the top. Yeah, but
Right there where you go through.
we're hanging an inch out in here still. We need to move way back toward you guys. Okay.
Yeah, just feed on it. Tap it out. Whoa.
Cody, hit your end in.
You can get the top.
Ed, I think your foot's in the way, isn't it?